Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Small but beautiful, how to cleverly integrate art into a 50 square meter apartment. Starting with the entrance area, a continuous concrete serre floor and a modern, light color ensures uniformity, while gently rounded ceiling edges add an elegant touch. The doors are decorated with circular shapes and their contrasting design is reminiscent of the interior shutters of old apartments. The two symmetrical doorways in the living room, both leading into the kitchen, have frames made of dark-stained oak veneer, reminiscent of southern Italian palaces.